Welcome, my dear students. How are you today? Okay. In our session today, we're going to revise units 5 and 6. Okay. First, we're going to revise the main vocabulary and grammar in each unit. After that, we have some questions and exercise to test yourself and check your strong and weak points and try to solve them. Okay. This is concerning units 5 and 6. Okay. First, if we start with unit 5. Okay. Here in unit 5, we have main vocabulary such as rubbish, random, stranger, boarding school, princess, wheelchair, attic, community, passport, disabled, kindness, donate, servant, bigger, lift, social media. Okay, this is concerning the main vocabulary in unit 5. Okay, what about grammar? In grammar, we have have to, and of course, negative from has to, and have to is don't have to and doesn't have to. Okay, as you know, we use has to and have to talk about external obligation, okay, or necessity to do something. Okay, we also have should and shouldn't. As you know, we use should or shouldn't to give an advice, to advise someone to do something. Okay, and also in Unit 5, we have relative pronouns such as who, which, that, where. Okay, this concerning the first unit, Unit 5. Okay, let's turn to Unit 6. In Unit 6, we have main vocabulary such as green, environment, drought, comfortable, line graph, body chart, serious, spotlight, coral reefs, respect, nature reserves, broadcast, flood, drought, relaxing, melt, damage, protect. Okay, this concerning the main vocabulary. Okay, what about our grammar in this unit? Okay, here we have comparative adjectives. Okay, as you know, to compare between two things or two persons, okay, we use comparative adjectives. But first, you have to decide which adjective is short and which adjective is long. Okay, if the adjective is short, here we have to add er to the adjective plus than. For example, taller than, shorter than, faster than, bigger than, like that. Okay. If the adjective is long, okay, if the adjective is long, here we have to add more or less before the adjective, and after it we have to use than. For example, more beautiful than, less beautiful than, more expensive than, less expensive than. Okay, here we have another point as adjective as. Okay, here we use as when two things or two persons have the same adjectives, okay, or they are equal in this adjective. So here we use as adjective as. Okay, what about the present simple passive? Okay, we use the present simple passive when the object is more important than the subject, or when we don't know the subject. Okay, or when we don't know the subject which leads the action. Okay, what can we do in present simple passive? How to change the sentence from active into passive? Okay, to change sentence from active into passive, first you have to start the sentence with the object, then or plus and is or plus past participle. Okay, this concerning our main vocabulary and grammar in units 5 and 6. Okay, now we have some exercise to test yourself. Okay, here number 1. Who can answer number 1 here? Please, if you want to answer, please don't say anything. Just raise your hand. Okay? Just raise your hand.
حضرتك لا هو حضرتك ينفع
Yeah.
لحظة بس هو حضرتك ينفع تسمع بالترتيب بلاش اللي يرفع ايده
لا اسمع raise your hand اسمع raise your hand okay يوسف قط
حاضر يا مستر. Mom made a cake. It tastes fantastic. I like it very much.
It tastes
fantastic. I like it very much.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Yusuf. Thank you. Here, number one, mom made a cake. It tastes fantastic. I like it very much. Okay, number two. Here, number two, Basmala. Number two, Basmala. He asked about directions. He looks space to this part of the city. Here, choose from waiter, shopkeeper, stranger. Yeah, Basmala.
stranger.
Stranger. Very good, Basmala. Thank you. It's correct. Thank you. Thank you. Number three. Habib Husseini. Habiba, can you hear me? Number three.
Yes, ثواني.
Okay. Number three here, Munir has two space of the dishes after dinner on Mondays. Here choose from wash, tidy, lock.
ثواني.
Yeah, take your time. Here number three.
tidy.
Number three, number three. Tidy. Are you sure? Are you sure?
No, no.
Oh, okay. Huh? Munir has two. Huh? Wash.
أيوة لسه tidy.
Okay, wash. Okay. Number three again. Munir has to wash up the dishes after dinner on Mondays. Okay. And number four. Malik Ashraf. Number four, Malik Ashraf.
Okay, not act of kindness is a kind thing that you do for someone for no reason. هتبقى random act.
Very good. Thank you. It's correct. Thank you. So number four again. Number four again. A random act of kindness is a kind thing that you do for someone for no reason. Okay. Number five, Minna. Number five, Minna.
The teacher told the students to space up after they made a model of the project to tidy up.
Tidy up. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Minna. See you number five. The teacher told the students to tidy up after they made a model of the project. Okay. Thank you. And number six here, Hannah Lutfi. Hannah.
هتبقى surprise.
Okay. Can you read, Hannah? Read, please. Read.
Adam knew everyone in the village, so he was surprised when a stranger walked into his shop.
Into his shop. Very good, Hannah. Thank you. It's correct. Thank you. So here, number six, Adam knew everyone in the village, so he was surprised when a stranger walked into his shop. Okay. Number seven. Here, number seven, Muhammad Abdain.
معاك يا مستر.
Okay. Here, number seven, Muhammad. Random means happening without space. Choose here from plain, plan, panel.
تبقى بلين هي في النص.
Plan, okay? Do you mean plan? Yeah, okay. So here, random means happening without a plan. Very good. Thank you, Muhammad. Number eight. Eight here. Yusuf Ott.
حاضر يا مستر.
Yeah,
My father not get up at 6 o'clock every day to go to work. Has to.
Has to. Very good. Why here, Yusuf, you choose has to? Why you said has to?
Because my father is singular.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Yusuf. It's correct. Thank you. So number eight again. My father has to get up at 6 o'clock every day to go to work. Okay. Number nine. Here, number nine. Basmala.
At the weekends, I space get up early. I can't stay in the bed until 9 o'clock.
Yeah. Choose here between or from. Don't have to, haven't.
Don't have to.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So here, number nine again. As weekends, I don't have to get up early. I can stay in bed until 9 o'clock. Very good, Basmala. Thank you. And number 10. Who can answer number 10? Malak Ashraf. Malak Ashraf.
You
number
don't
10.
have.
Yeah.
You don't have not out the rubbish. هتبقى have to take.
To take. Very good. Thank you. It's correct. Thank you. So here, number 10 will be you don't have to take out the rubbish. Okay. Number 11. 11 here, Hannah Lutfi. Hannah. 11. Hannah, can you hear me? Yeah, number 11. Also number 11. You space start running short distance. Choose here from shouldn't, should, mustn't.
It should.
Should, very good. Thank you, Anna. Very good. It's correct. So here, number 11, you should start running short distance. Okay. Number 12, you
Mr.
number.
الصوت بيقطع.
معلش بس النت معلش هو عايز يزود ان شاء الله. طب صوت can you hear me؟ دلوقتي صوت واضح؟ Is my voice clear؟
أيوة.
Okay. Number 12. Number 12 here, Yusuf Qad.
حاضر يا مستر.
Yeah.
You shouldn't not if your legs hurt. You shouldn't run.
You shouldn't run. Okay. Why here you said run, Yusuf? Why here you said run?
Because shouldn't اللي بيجي بعدها infinitive.
Because after should or shouldn't.
عشان should اللي بيجي بعدها infinitive.
Yeah, because after should or shouldn't this form or infinitive. So here you shouldn't run if your legs hurt. Okay. Number 13. من حسام. 13.
Does your best friend هتبقى have to?
Have to walk to school. Okay. Why here you said have to?
عشان في does.
Yeah, because it's a question. Okay, very good. Thank you. Number 13 will be, does your best friend have to go to school? Okay. Number 14, بسملة الحسيني.
تمام.
Yeah.
A space is a small area and the people who live it.
Yeah.
Choose
here from volunteer, community, environment.
Community.
Community, very good. It's correct. Thank you. So here number 14, a community is a small area and people who live in it. Okay. Number 15, Muhammad Ahmed Abdaim. 15. Yeah, okay. That man is a space and he needs a wheelchair. Here choose from crew, disabled, brave.
Disabled.
Disabled, okay. How do you know that the answer is disabled?
عشان wheelchair.
Yeah, very good, because he needs a wheelchair. Very good, thank you, Muhammad. Thank you. So here number 15, that man is disabled and he needs a wheelchair. Okay. And number 16, Hannah Lutfi. Hannah, can you hear me? Hannah?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Number 16.
The boarding school is a school where children can live here.
Very good. Yeah, very good. Thank you. So here, number 16, the boarding school is a school where children can live there. Okay. Number 17, Minna Hassan.
He works as a volunteer for a charity.
Very good. Thank you. It's correct. Thank you, Minna. So here, number 17, he works as a volunteer for a charity. Okay. Number 18, here, Minna Hassan.
أجاوب تاني؟
Okay, Minna. Okay, thank you. Very good. Thank you. Malik Ashraf.
If a child not well, he is good, behaves.
If a child behaves well, he is good. Very good. Thank you. So number 18 will be, if a child behaves well, he is good. Okay. And number 19, Hannah. Hannah Lutfi.
I missed.
Yeah, answer number 19.
I saw Ahmed in the park. Where? هتبقى where?
Okay, where we often play football. Okay, why here you said where? Why you said where?
Because the park is place.
Very good, because here the park is a place. Okay, so here number 19 will be, I saw Ahmed in the park where we often play football. Okay, number 20. Basmala. Number 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
You leave the bag space you bought at weekend at my house.
My house, yeah. Choose here from that who where.
Okay. أختار that.
That. Okay. Why you said that? Why here you said that? Because here a bag is a thing. Because because bag here is a thing. Okay. So here number 20, you leave that the bag that you bought as a weekend at my house. Okay, number 21, Malik Ashraf.
This is the house not I was born in.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah. Can you answer?
Where?
Where? Are you sure?
تبقى where عشان the house place.
Okay. Listen to me. Here we use which instead of where in two cases. Okay, we use which instead of where in two cases. The first case, if there is a preposition. If there is a preposition in the sentence. So here, this is the house space I was born in. Here we have a preposition. Okay, so here the correct answer will be which. Okay, do you understand? So we use which instead of where in two cases. The first case, if there is a preposition. Okay, what about the second case? If we give description for the place or give extra information about the place, we use which. For example, if I say this is the flat here is a place, okay, which my father bought. Okay, why here we said which? Because here we give extra information about this flat. So here we said which. Okay? Another example. This is the house. Oh, this is the school. Okay? Which is near my house. This is the school which is near my house. Here we give extra information or we give a description for that place. So here we use which. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So number 21, here this is the house which I was born in. Okay. Number 22, Muhammad Ahmed Abdayi. Muhammad?
معك يا مستر.
Yeah, number 22. The person space is sitting next to me is called Taro. Choose here from whose, who, which. Muhammad?
Who?
Who, okay. Why here you said who?
Because sitting.
Okay, because here we have the word person. Okay, we have the word person. Okay, so here the correct answer will be who. The person who is sitting next to me is called Tariq. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Thank you. Let's continue. Here number 23. Minna Sam. Minna.
This is the school which we learn.
Which? Are you sure? Okay. Minna, when I ask you, where do you learn?
I learn in my school.
Okay, very good. So here, the verb learn here or the action happened inside the place. The action happened inside the place, okay? If the action happened inside the place, we use where. Okay, Minna? Listen to me, Minna.
Okay.
Listen to me. If I ask you, listen to me. This is the club, okay? A space we play football. It choose which or where?
Where?
Where, bravo. Why where? Because here we play inside the place. Okay, we play inside the place. So the action happened inside the place. Okay. So here number 23. This is the school where we learn. Thank you, Minna. Thank you. Number 24. Yusuf Odd. 24.
حاضر يا مستر.
Yeah.
She has not 2 million pounds to charities in the city. Donate it.
Okay, donated. Very good. Thank you. It's correct. And number 24 will be she has donated 2 million pounds to charities in the city. Very good. Thank you. Number 25. Here 25. Hannah Lotfi. 25. In my opinion. It was here from doing, making, having.
Doing.
Very good. Thank you. It's correct. Thank you. So your number 25 will be, in my opinion, doing random acts of kindness is fantastic. Okay. Number 26. Malab Ashraf.
It's important to have a نقط when you travel to another country. هتبقى passport.
Passport, very good, thank you. It's correct. So here it's important to have a passport when you travel to another country. Okay. Number 27. Who can answer? Minna Hussein? Yeah, Minna Hussein?
We should all protect the environment. That is the place in which we live.
Very good, thank you. It's correct, thank you. So here number 27 will be, we should all protect the environment as a place in which we live, okay? And number 28, 28, who can answer? 28, Muhammad Ahmed Abdain?
معاك يا مستر.
Yeah, answer.
The crops were damaged during the نقط is
The period of the dry weather was long. The crops were damaged during the space as the period of the dry weather was long.
drought.
Drought, okay, very good. Very good, thank you. So here the correct answer will be drought. The crops were damaged during the drought as the period of the dry weather was long. Okay, number 29. Who can answer? 29, Yusuf Od. Yusuf Od.
حاضر يا مستر.
Yeah.
We made about climate change.
Yeah.
Presentation.
Presentation, very good, thank you. It's correct, thank you. So here we made a presentation about climate change. Okay, number 30. 30, Hannah Lutfi. Hannah? Hannah, can you hear me? Yeah. Number 30.
There are a lot of cars.
Yeah.
There
In the
are
city,
a lot of cars in the city
that cause
a lot
of space
Air
pollution. Yeah, air pollution. Very good, thank you. So here number 30, there are a lot of cars in the city that cause a lot of air pollution. Very good, thank you. Number 31, Malak Ashraf.
It was raining 4 days and then there was a نقط so people used boats to leave their houses هتبقى flood.
Flood, very good, thank you. It's correct, thank you. So here number 31, it was raining for days and then there was a flood, so people used boats to leave their houses. Very good, thank you. Number 32, 32, Yusuf Od.
حاضر يا مستر.
Yeah.
Not many fish live in the river because it's very polluted.
Polluted, very good, thank you. Not many fish live in the river because it's very polluted. Very good, thank you. Number 33, Muhammad Ahmed Abdain. Muhammad.
عارفة يا مستر.
Okay, drier weather space, bad fires in Australia. Choose here from shows, causes, gives.
كوكس. ايه. كوسس.
Okay, Muhammad, thank you. Causes, thank you, very good. So here, drier weather causes bad fires in Australia. Thank you, Muhammad, thank you. Number 34, Minna Hussein.
The river Nile is more polluted than before.
Is more polluted than before. Okay, Minna, why here you said more polluted?
Because polluted is a long adjective.
Okay, and here we compare between the river Nile today and the river Nile before. Okay, so yeah, thank you. So here the river Nile is more polluted than before. Okay, number 35, Malak Ashraf.
Reading is more interesting than watching TV.
Yeah, very good, thank you. Reading is more interesting than watching TV. Thank you. Number 36. Minna Hussein. Minna Hussein.
Today the weather is as hot as yesterday.
As hot as, very good, thank you, it's correct, thank you. So here today the weather is as hot as yesterday. Very good, thank you. Number 37, Hannah Lutfi.
The dolphin isn't as big as.
Big
The whale.
as, okay, very good, thank you. Number 58, Muhammad Abdain. Space is a plant. Yeah, okay. Space is a plant used for making clothes. Choose here from coral, cotton, rice.
Cotton.
Cotton, very good, thank you. It's correct. So here number 38 will be cotton is a plant used for making clothes. Very good, thank you. And number 39. 39, who can answer? Malak Ashraf.
The Ministry of does its best to
attract
attract
tourists
tourists to
to Egypt.
to Egypt. Tourism.
Tourism, very good, thank you. So here, the Ministry of Tourism does its best to attract tourists to Egypt. Very good, thank you. Number 40, bin Hassam. 40.
The Red Sea is full of colorful coral reefs.
Coral reefs, very good, thank you. It's correct, very good. And number 41, Yusuf Odd. 41.
There are many ancient نقط in the Egyptian museum monuments.
Yeah, monuments, very good. So here there are many ancient monuments in the Egyptian museum. Very good, thank you. Number 32. 32. Hannah Lutfi. Hannah.
Cairo is located
in the north of Egypt. Very good. It's correct. Thank you. Thank you. So here, number 42. Cairo is located in the north of Egypt. Thank you. Number 43. Min Hassan.
The museum is visited by lots of people every year.
Okay. Why here you said is visited, Minna? Why here you said is visited? It's correct. Okay. But why here you said is visited? Okay, this sentence is active or passive?
Because the museum is
okay, museum here is singular.
Passive.
Passive, yeah. So here we have to start with the object museum. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here is visited is the correct answer. Okay? The museum is visited by lots of people every year. Okay, thank you, Minna. Number 44. Muhammad Ahmed Abdain. Yeah. Many fish space in the sea near Bursaid. Choose here from caught or catching or caught.
Are caught.
Are caught. Yeah, very good, Muhammad. It's correct because the sentence is passive. Okay. Here we don't know the subject who did the action. Okay. So here we have to choose the passive. Okay. Many fish are caught in the sea near Bursaid. Okay. Number 45. Thank you, Muhammad. 45. Basmala Al-Husseini, welcome Basmala. Basmala, welcome. Where are you?
Okay. Giza is a space for its ancient pyramids.
Yeah,
Giza is known.
Known, very good Basmala. Very good, thank you, it's correct. So here Giza is known for its ancient pyramids, okay, thank you. Number 46, Hannah Lutfi. Hannah? Hannah, can you hear me?
The cake.
Yeah, the cake space by Salma is made. Okay, very good, thank you. The cake is made by Salma. Very good, thank you. Okay, thank you. Number 47. 47, Malak Ashraf. Malak, can you hear me?
Okay. Cotton clothes.
Cotton clothes made in Egypt.
Cotton clothes made in Egypt.
Yeah. Choose here from have, was, or. Or. Okay. Why here you said or?
Or.
Yeah. Why here you said or? It's correct. I know it's correct. Why here you said or? Malak. Because here clothes are plural. Plural, okay? Clothes here plural. Okay, thank you. So here are cotton, yeah, okay. Are cotton clothes made in Egypt? Okay, number 48. Yusuf Odd. Yusuf?
Mr. Mish.
Yeah.
48.
Yeah.
The flood damaged the house which were
on the river bank, river water. River bank, thank you. So here the flood damaged the houses which were on the river bank. Yeah, thank you. River bank, thank you. It's correct. 49. Here 49. Min Hassam. Minna? Minna Sam, can you hear me?
أنا يا مستر ولا إيه؟
Minna Sam, can you hear me?
مستر.
معلش يا شباب بس في مشكلة في النت، معلش دقيقة واحدة.
تمام.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, number 50 or 49. Okay, 49. Who can answer 49? Can you hear me? Basmala? Yeah, Basmala.
Okay. The event aims to space people of importance of recycling things.
Yeah.
هنقول remind.
Remind. Okay, very good. Okay. What's the difference between remind and remember, Basmala?
Remember for people that remember you, we remind for things.
Okay, listen to me, Basmala.
ده الأسئلة.
Remember means that I remember myself. Okay, I remember myself to do something. For example, I remember to do my homework. Okay, what about remind? Remind means that someone remind me to do something. Okay, for example, my mother. For example, my mother reminds me to do my homework. Okay, thank you, Basmala. Number 50, Hannah. Number 50, Hannah. Hannah.
هتبقى recycling rubbish is good for the environment.
Very good, thank you. It's correct.
Recycling.
Okay, thank you. So here, recycling rubbish is good for the environment. Thank you. Okay, now let's turn to another kind of question. Here, complete the sentence with the correct form of the words in brackets. Okay, as you know how to answer this question. First, you have to look at the sentence carefully and decide which action or which tense is this sentence. Is it present simple, present continuous, past simple, past continuous, should, shouldn't, has to, have to, don't have to, doesn't have to, whatever. Okay. For example, here number 1, Min Sam, number 1.
Is this the car which you bought?
Which you bought, very good, thank you. So your number 1, is this the car which you bought? Number 2, Malak Ashraf.
حلا نقط to study for exams يبقى doesn't have to.
Very good, thank you, it's correct. So here number 2, Hala doesn't have to study for exams. Thank you. Number 3, Yusuf Od.
حاضر يا مستر.
Space,
نقط
we eat.
we eat lots of vegetables. Yes, I should.
Yes, you should, yeah.
Should.
Should, okay, very good, thank you. So here, should we eat
Should,
lots?
should.
Yeah, should, very good, thank you. So here, should we eat lots of vegetables? Yes, you should. Okay, number 4, Malak Ashraf. Number 4, Malak Ashraf.
Alex is the place.
Alexandria is the place we love.
We live.
Yeah.
Where?
Where, very good, thank you. It's correct. So here, Alexandria is the place where we live. Okay, number 5 here, Muhammad Ahmed Abdain. Muhammad Ahmed.
Yes, mister.
Yeah.
معاك يا مستر.
Yeah. I space to drive fast. Here, complete with the correct form of not have.
هتبقى I haven't.
No, it's wrong, Muhammad. It's wrong. I don't have to. Okay, Muhammad. I don't have to.
يا مستر.
Okay, so here I don't have to drive fast. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you. Number 7 or number 6. Okay, number 6 here. Okay, here number 6. Hannah Lutfi. Hannah? Yeah, number 6.
6. What do you have to do?
What do you have to do? Very good. Thank you. It's correct. Thank you. So here number 6. What do you have to do? Okay, number 7. Okay, who can answer number 7? من حسام.
أنا مستر.
من حسام.
The cafe space I meet my friends serves delicious food. هتبقى مش عارفة where يعني.
Where. Okay, so here the correct answer will be where. The cafe where I meet my friends serves delicious food. Okay. Number 8, Yusuf Qutb. Number 8 is Qutb. Yusuf.
حاضر يا مستر.
Number 8.
The boy not was
my best friend moved to a different city.
The boy not was my best friend moved to different. Who?
Okay, thank you. It's correct. Thank you.
Who?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Yusuf. So here, the boy who was my best friend moved to a different city. Okay, number 9. Here, number 9. Malak Ashraf. Malak.
This is the place. This is the place I was born in.
Take care, Malak. Very good. Why he said which? Because there is a preposition. There is a preposition in. Okay, so here the correct answer will be this is the place which I was born in. Okay, number 10, Basmala. Number 10.
This is the house place my father bought.